Got an MLD file from a Vocaloid fan project and want to view the model? This format holds 3D character models for MikuMikuDance creators. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with MIKULALAND model files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated high-value MLD file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. The .mld file format is used for storing 3D models within the MIKULALAND software, a platform associated with the Vocaloid and MikuMikuDance (MMD) creative communities. Users search for this to import, view, or edit 3D character models and stages for creating animations and virtual content. An .mld file is a binary format containing 3D geometry data, including vertices, faces, textures, and rigging information for animation. This proprietary structure is optimized for real-time rendering within the MIKULALAND application, ensuring all necessary components for a complete 3D asset are self-contained. Essential file access for MLD relies upon the utility MIKULALAND from MIKULALAND Inc. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can't display their full structure, so you'll need dedicated 3D tools to review them completely. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the MLD file and hit Open with. Test MIKULALAND if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you cannot access the MLD file, no problem. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, opening in MikuMikuDance. Download MikuMikuDance, the free 3D animation software popular in the Vocaloid community. Place MLD files in MMD's model directory and load through the model selection interface. The character appears in the 3D viewport ready for animation and posing in your MMD projects. Next, converting to PMX. Convert MLD files to PMX, the modern MMD model format, using PMX editor or similar conversion tools available in MMD community resources. PMX format provides better compatibility with current MMD versions and additional features beyond the original MLD format for advanced character setup. Finally, importing to other software. Export MLD content to standard 3D formats like FBX or OBJ for use in Blender Maya or Unity using community-developed conversion tools. This enables Vocaloid characters and projects beyond MMD, though textures and special effects often require manual recreation in the destination software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.